This is one of the smallest and easiest to use UHFs on the market. Oricom's UHF 310 is an ultra-compact radio with a ton of features you won't expect for the price. Stop shopping around, this UHF is perfect for you. You can fit this UHF anywhere you like in your four-wheel drive. Just pick a spot to mount this tiny transceiver unit, whether that's on the dash, up on the roof, or you can tuck it away neatly in your center console. This LED screen can be set to 7 different colours. That means you can match it to the dash lights of your four-wheel drive. You can flip the screen too, which makes finding the right spot to fit this UHF even easier. Because the screen is ultra bright, you can always see what channel you're on, even in direct sunlight. It's easy to install and even easier to use. This mic only has a few buttons on it, and they all serve a purpose. It's fast and easy to change the channel or adjust the volume, and if you set this priority button to a channel you and your mates use, you're only going to be one button away from the right channel at all times. This neat antenna kit comes with a bullbar and bonnet mount bracket to suit all antenna mounting options, and a great all-round 6.5 dBi antenna with a flexible width. If you're not after a permanent install, Oricom have you covered. Get the plug-and-play kit, which gives you a suction cup mount, cigarette plug, and a basic antenna. That just makes installation even easier. Plug everything in, mount the unit to your dash or windscreen, and off you go. Perfect for fleet vehicles, touring, or for car owners with multiple vehicles, as you can move the unit from vehicle to vehicle. If you need a no-nonsense UHF that you can install in an hour in your driveway, don't look any further. This UHF is loud, easy to use, and can be installed just about anywhere in your vehicle. And like all Oricom fixed mount units, they come with a full 5-year warranty. Get one in store or online at BCF today.